Welcome along everybody to the DGR Glasgow 2019. Here we are, travelling into the city of Glasgow towards the west end of the city, and thereafter on to the Triumph Glasgow dealership, back to where the new bike, the 2019 Bobber Black that I picked up yesterday came from. This will be the fourth time I've done taking part in the DGR, so really well attended today. It's getting bigger and bigger every year, all part of Movember and raising funds and awareness for men's health and prostate cancer research and awareness. So thank you again for watching. I'll get some more videos and footage as the day unfolds over at Triumph Glasgow and through the city, so enjoy the video and take care. Bye bye. Lovely, lovely. Look at all the bikes. Plenty of bikes today. As I say, it's getting bigger every year. I don't know the exact numbers, but it's on the website for the total number of bikes. I think there's 160, 150, something like that. Probably more turn up on the day if it's dry as well. So yeah, tremendous. All about raising awareness, having a great day out, which it is. It's a fantastic day, and DGR do a lot of work all over the world on this date to put all these rides on and different dealerships and Triumph, so great to be part of it. Absolutely worthwhile. If you're unaware of the DGR and you don't know much about it, get along to it next year, September the 29th, every year. There'll be one in a city near you, put it that way. It's getting bigger and bigger all the time. Supporting this brilliant day out. Looking forward to going over to the dealership as well. There's lots of stuff on over there. Catch up with some family, just have a really good day out. That's the whole crux of this today. Brilliant feeling doing this today on the new bike as well. The bobber feels fantastic. Better suspension, nice smooth ride, and it just pulls away so nicely. The main feature being these lovely bars and of course the torque. Very torquey, lively little machine. Yeah, I look forward to these, the DGR every year, and without doubt it never disappoints. It's always a great day. Really good spirit, really good togetherness and camaraderie. Good selection of bikes here today. We've got all sorts. Harleys, BSAs, Triumphs, Ducatis, you name it, everything. Cafe racers, cruisers, classics, choppers, all here. So back on for the second part, second leg of the small run kind of over to Triumph Glasgow here on the 2019 DGR. Managed to get all the cameras back working, which was great. It was a relief after charging them all night. I was a bit worried that GoPro had stopped working. This is us at the end and the final stop at the 2009 DGR at Triumph Glasgow. All in all, it's been a brilliant day. It stayed dry, touch wood. That's the main thing, stayed nice and dry in the suits. And it's been a really, really worthwhile event. Really well attended as well, no issues. And we look forward to the wee meet up now and the wee party. So all the best from the 2019 Glasgow DGR. Thank you.